Well, today we say goodbye to this shower. And we're going to do all the connections and get the other shower connected. So that way we can start working on this. Well, there'll be a room here for all of this. We're getting so close. It's just this final demo is really taking quite some time to start closing in everything and start building walls. But yeah, this is the final demo. I'm looking forward. Well, let me rephrase that. I am not looking forward to busting out this tile because I know it's well put on. But it's going to come down. It's coming down.
In chunks.
It's going to be in chunks. That's better than in little tiny little pieces.
Really on there.
Good job. That's your tile work.
Guess I didn't want it to come undone.
I like how you started right in the middle.
Well, there was a joint on the
Oh, I see.
backer board, so that's why I was like, let's start here.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's going to be nice and thick. Oh. Ta-da!
Yeah, so the little pocket back there is where the utilities are going to move. So it'll be like a utility closet.
Yeah.
So the shower's going to move over, but then the water heater and the water softener can tuck into that space back there, and we'll have a little, kind of like a bifold door.
To access this.
Open it to get in here so that it acts as a utility room for these two instead of having them out in the open.
I can take over?
If you want to.
Yeah.
We can go up and get the big sledgehammer for this.
For the bottom? I might just, I don't know. I think I can actually
Like beat it a few times and
pop it all out
and break and come apart.
Okay, I'll get started while you do the other stuff.
Yeah, you want to keep doing that, so I'll move on. 5 minutes left on the washing machine, so that's just.
And the dishwasher's done.
Yeah, so it's just enough time that I can kind of start getting this stuff taken off to move over, and then just turn off the water and cut pipes.
All right, let's move. Look at this mess. Oh my god. To kind of show a better idea. That's the back of the shower where Mark is standing, and that's where all the utilities will go where Mark is.
Like just deep enough to put them in and have a door across.
Yeah.
Door across here.
And then you can see where the shower is, and then the toilet and everything. So I'll go bring some trash bags in the truck so I can start loading all this debris up.
About centered.
Is that convenient to just go back and forth like that from one closet to the next?
Comparatively, probably. It's nice to be able to get to the back side of the wall with the shower in place.
I look forward to having sheetrock up. It seems like there's so much still to do before that. When you can get the lighting and the fan and the plumbing and the gas line and the power and the things before anything goes, any of that.
And the stuff and things, huh?
Yep, but I feel like we're closer. Oh, babe, this is heavy. I can't lift that all by myself.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can.
These little pieces.
You can do it.
It's really heavy. I'm going to have to use my
Do heavy lifting and
legs. Oh, I guess I can lift it. I sometimes wonder.
3 inches from the stud.
So you're still telling me that we can't get sheetrock up soon?
Here we go. Okay, no, just kidding.
Why? I'm just ready for it to move forward. It feels like
we're close, honey. We are close to getting there.
Are you just saying that because it?
No, we're like, these are the hang-ups. The shit we're dealing with right now. These are the drawbacks and slowdowns.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Remember when we toured a house that was a fixer-upper, and it was couple of our first houses that we were looking at, and the shower curtain was closed.
Yeah, it was that old house, and it was a tub, and they'd add a shower, but they had to keep it low enough for the window and stuff.
Yeah, and the shower knob was like literally like chest high, like here.
Yeah.
I'm like, how are you supposed to get your hair wet?
Yeah.
I'm like, we're not short people. Well,
Yep.
you guys aren't.
It was like difficult even for you to try to get to it.
Oh yeah, it was ridiculous. I'm like, well, and they were asking quite a bit of money for the work that it needed.
Yeah.
Boy, to have that house right now, right?
Oh, no thanks.
Yeah.
No thanks.
Where's your hammer at?
Just outside the door.
Oh, yeah, I need a hammer. Oh yeah. That felt powerful for a little bit of nothing.
Yeah. That was the ticket, huh?
I'm gonna get myself here in a minute. If I keep this up.
Oh shit.
Yeah. All right, this tile job was well done, babe. Tell you right now. So I can engage my abs.
Like what?
I would like engage my abs in this one.
There you go. Okay, I need to run up and grab a hole saw and then put a big old hole in this brand new shower. Yay.
Hey, be careful. Did you measure like 3 times?
I can't hear you. What?
Did you measure like 3 times?
No. Just one.
Okay.
Just one.
Oh yeah. There we go.
How's it going there, demo darling?
I just went for the hammer, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't blame you. Effective tool. Crash.
Yeah, I just went for it and I feel like I'm getting somewhere now.
Good.
Not no longer being careful.
Well, the wall is the easy place to kind of pull it off and be careful,
Yeah.
but from after that,
Kind of smells good. Is that the fiberglass?
yeah,
Oh. Interesting.
the resin,
Huh?
the acrylic resin that they use on them,
Uh-huh.
smells like Bondo, like body filler. It's the same scent.
Yeah, it has it's an
Yeah.
interesting scent. I was like,
It's
huh.
like almost smells sweet, like you want to smell
does.
it.
Yeah, you kind of like you want
Like,
to go.
oh,
Like what's this going to?
probably shouldn't huff those fumes. Makes you want to smell it.
You know what? People pay to do this kind of stuff. Gets all their aggression out and stuff.
It's all right.
It destroy like computers and all sorts of things. We should have somebody pay us to do this.
Sounds like I know our next side hustle.
Our next side hustle. Come and demo this for us. This feels kind of good after the kind of week I had at work. Maybe there is a science to it, I guess.
Like your work week was gearing you up for your home life.
Yes, let's demo some tile. Oh, guess I cut myself.
That's no good.
Yeah, it's not very much. It's like a scratch. It's not even a big deal.
You're talking like me now.
Well, actually, it's my kind of scratch, not your kind of scratch. So the shower head's actually going to be different than it is right there. We're going to have a wand. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Seems like everything we're doing right now, because we're living in it, we have to do these transitional steps. We're just putting the original shower head back in. But it'll have a standard head that comes out and down a little, like it normally would, and that kind of angles it. But we're gonna put a wand, so like has the hose in the head, and that actually raises it up higher anyway. But that way we can wash down the shower. Since we're doing it, we're gonna do it.
Yeah. Maybe not having a light in here helps with the laser.
Definitely makes it brighter, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, good deal. I only have a little bit left on the tile.
Okay.
And then I'm going to clean up and I'm going to call it a day.
Do you need a bigger hammer?
No. I got just a little portion and I have to kind of keep it away so it doesn't fling back. I like the hammer that I'm using right now.
Okay.
But it's mostly done. I think I'm going to need to have a shop vac.
You might need the bigger hammer for the floor.
For the floor?
Yeah.
I might. But I might not. You never know how... I'm pretty strong. You know?
Let's turn the water on, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure we're not leaking. Must have done something okay. Don't want to turn on the shower with that in there. That wouldn't go over very well.
Get all the air out.
Yeah.
It's not the biggest shower, but it's bigger than what we had. You check in the hot water?
Just making sure I get to like both hot and cold flushed out.
You know what that means? Time to close in this room. So there's no... Got to get a fan in here and all of that.
Yep.
I'm going to go ahead and finish demoing the tile from the other shower. And that's still not the last of the demo that we have to do. But at least it's... most of it is done. Most of it is done. What did you use? Did you use concrete?
No, that would come up easier.
What the hell is that?
It's mortar.
Mortar? Just in layers?
And then there's, it looks like I used backer board stack for the curb. And just encased it all in mortar and yeah.
It's on there. Gosh dang.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to do this all night.
For a minute.
There you go.